Yeah, put the wire brush on. It's a little less aggressive with taking it right down to the metal. I just want to get all the rust and loose stuff off. I wouldn't mind leaving a little bit of the original paint and primer on it. Plus, when I get to the wires here, the mesh inside of the grill, I'll have to be a little bit more careful, but I don't want to strip this thing right down to complete bare metal everywhere. Grind here. I got a couple little wrinkles to fix here. One bent fin, a couple wrinkles there. Okay, so I'll just take care of this, and then we'll grab the hammer and see if we can straighten it out the brute force way. I don't know where my auto body dollies are, but I've got these thick plates. Works for beating flat. Much closer. Change the camera angle so you guys might be able to see. I've got this flattened mostly. And I got one fin that's down just a little bit. There we go. Pretty close now. All right, a little bit of a pinch here too. There, pretty close. Now we've got the bullet hole to contend with, and a couple little spots down here. So we'll zip out the welder for these. Alright, this is pretty thin stuff. Hopefully we don't burn holes through it. I've got the power turned down to 1, my voltage turned down to 1. I'm going to try my speed around 30. See what this does. There we go. Hopefully that hole's filled. I'm going to pull the same on the other side here. Well, this one's a little worse. There, I built the weld up quite a bit there, so we'll try grinding that back down with the angle grinder, see if we can get it back flush at least. And then we'll fill this bullet hole at the top. At least this hole is in some thicker metal. A little bit more juice. A little bit more speed. There we go. My wire brush to my grinder. I came back from Vegas with a cold. It really came to a head the night before last night, so I haven't really done a whole lot out here this week. I've also been busy with non-tractor stuff, so my nephew was over on Thursday night as well, getting stuff done to his car. We did ball joints and stuff. That's why the progress has been a little bit slower recently. Hopefully we can speed it up. Now I have that bee sitting out there waiting for us to get to it. That looks pretty decent. I'm gonna give it a little tweak. Straighten her out. Yeah. Close enough. Good enough for me. Alright, onto the hood. I don't think there's any repairs to do to the hood. It's in pretty good shape. We just gotta take all of this ugly yellow paint off. At least knock off the loose stuff so we can paint over. Second thought, you guys don't want to watch all that. You just want to watch me snap my fingers. Oh, that's the easier way to do it. I wish I would have done that for the rest of the tractor. Alright, so the hood is now wire brushed. Everything loose is off. Last part is the gas tank. The last part for now. We're still got all the little pieces like the seat and the air cleaner and all of that junk that we'll do separately. We'll just go after the big pieces right now. All right, let's try that trick again. I don't know. Okay, I guess I gotta do this one the old-fashioned way, but you guys can skip ahead. gas tank. There's a little bit of a dent I filled with a little bit more bondo. Another one of our little secrets. I swear there's not actually that much bondo on this stuff, but anyways, I also took the time to put up a wall of poly in preparation for painting. So the next thing I'm going to do is try and hang more on this wall, put some tarps down on the floor, and then we're going to be ready to start shooting some primer here. So I'll be right back, and this place should be wrapped. Done for the night. It is like 11 o'clock. Time to go in, but I think we made a pretty good headway on it tonight. It's just the rough first coat of primer. This will help me find any of the imperfections and spots that I missed, so I can go back and clean them up and then give it another proper coat of primer over top of everything. So far it doesn't look too bad. There's a couple spots that I have to clean up on the tractor itself, but sheet metal, so far so good. That dent is still showing through though, so might monkey with that a little bit more, but overall, happy with the progress tonight. So I will see you soon in part 7 of the W6 restoration. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.